Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is King speaking, Mr. Market Precision personified. And as you can tell by the sound of my voice, I am pumped, I am happy. So I'm just gonna do a recap of the analysis that I made on Sunday. I had about an 80 to 85% win rate this week. It was great. It was awesome, and most importantly, I've been showing you guys these types of analysis since the beginning of this month, and we have yet to have a losing week, right? And I'm not saying that there won't be times where I will have a losing week, but it's extremely rare because I am following the higher time frame order flow, right? So let's start with this pair right here, right? So on Sunday, I did explain that I am waiting for CHF JPY to retrace back into this supply zone, and I will be looking for buys, right? Then retrace back into this key area, and I'll look for further buys. And let's see the after picture. So what happened here was price, it did push nicely. It retraced back into my area of demand. I bought there, and then it pushed nicely there, and I had my 1:2. Remember, I did say that in as much as I can give you guys these ultimate take profits over there, but with me, usually I just enter here for a 1:2, right? So this was a W for me, a win, right? We had the Euro JPY. So if you look at the Euro JPY here, what I was anticipating price to do is to drop back into this key area, push back, then retrace back into this key area, and then continue with the bullish momentum, right? Let's look at the Euro JPY. What happened? It's right here. Price pushed nicely into the area. It didn't retrace into this area, but it retraced into this M5 key area, and we pushed, you see. And this is not hindsight. I explained all of these, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below and also in the comment section so that you guys can go and look at these analysis, right? And then we had GBP JPY. Same thing. I was anticipating price to retrace back into this area, push, retrace, push, retrace, push, right? And what happened? It's the same thing. It's right here, right? Price pushed nicely into this area, retraced, and then boom, Bob is your uncle, right? And we also had the Euro JPY, which we were bullish. What I was anticipating price to do is for it to retrace back into this key structural left head and a right shoulder, and was anticipating price to break above, retrace, push into the ultimate take profit. What happened? Let's look at this. Price came back into your left, your head, and your right shoulder, and then it pushed nicely into our first take profit. Unfortunately, we didn't get to this, but as I said, with me, it's just a 1:2 fixated reward to risk ratio, right? So ultimately, if you can look at these analysis, it was about 80 to 85% win, right? And the one that stopped me out, it was, let me just show you guys, it was the CHF, the CHF JPY, CHF JPY. It stopped me out here, but I was right about the direction for it to continue being bullish, right? So why am I showing you guys this? Why am I showing you guys this? I'm doing this so that you guys can see that it is possible for you to make it in this industry, right? But what's important is that you need to be patient with yourself, right? And you need to understand that it's not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time, right? You need to invest in the skill, right? You need to um, be comfortable with the uncomfortable, right? And you need to get to a space whereby when I was starting out, there was a time whereby there was little to no progress at all, right? But that never stopped me. And this is why I can make such predictions now, right? This is not something that just happened overnight, right? I had to put in the work, and I am trying by all means to 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 help you guys so that you do not go through the shit that I went through. This thing is cold, man. This is one of the hardest industries that you can ever tap into, right? Because one thing that I have learned about this space is that uh, as people, we were never really, no one actually prepared us for money management skills, right? No one really prepared you and told you about how to properly manage money, right? And this industry that we are tapping into, it's about money, right? And we do not know how to behave emotionally when we have got cash, right? Naturally. So now imagine you are tapping into a space whereby you are dealing with cash every day. It fluctuates in front of your eyes, right? So there's a lot that you will first need to reprogram, relearn in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader, because we were not taught from an early age how to deal with money. So there's a lot of emotions that comes with this thing. This is why a lot of you guys, you will continue to struggle with your emotions, with your psychology, up until you get to a point whereby you are like, I'm not gonna make money fast, so let me give myself enough time to learn the skill, right? So continue guys to follow me, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what it means to get to a point whereby you are comfortable in life, right? But it takes time. It takes time. You don't have to rush the process. You don't have to try and double accounts like all these other guys tend to show you guys. If it means you start with a small account risking about 2 to 3%, that's fine. You can only increase risk once you gain consistency, right? So long as you are still trying to learn, just be a student in the markets, be a student and give yourself enough time, right? So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you are inspired, and don't forget to subscribe, right? And also on Sunday, I'm gonna be having the Sunday Soul session for episode 5 now, I think. We are running from, we started with episode 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are on the 5th episode. And if you guys can go to all these episodes, I've been doing the same thing, right? I've been showing you guys analysis before and after all episode. When you have time, go through all those episodes. Look at the before picture and the after picture. It's not hindsight. This is clear market predictions. So from me to you guys, it's your king, Mr. Market Precision Personified, and I am out. Peace. See you on Sunday. Sharp.